How to make keto layered mocha pudding. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, also like the video, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. The ingredients. For coffee layer: 2/3 cup chia seeds, 1½ cups unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup brewed coffee, 4 tablespoon erythritol. For cocoa layer: 1/3 cup chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoon erythritol, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. Start with the coffee layer by adding the chia seeds to a blender. 3. Add in the almond milk, brewed coffee, and erythritol for the coffee layer. Pulse until smooth. 4. Pour evenly into jars, while getting set to blend the ingredients for the cocoa layer together. 5. Blend the chia seeds, almond milk, erythritol, and cocoa powder for the cocoa layer together, and evenly layer it on top of the coffee layer. 6. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 3 servings of keto layered mocha pudding. Each serving comes out to be 344 calories, 21.9 grams fat, 6 grams net carbs, and 11.9 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below for more recipes.